everyone. It's April Davis with April Davis Creations. Thank you for joining me for day number 6. I am introducing the 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar, and every day we open up one door and I show you what's behind that door, and then I show you a project that I've created utilizing what's behind the door. Today we are going to open up door number 6. So let's go ahead and open up our calendar. Door number 6 is over here. And when we open this door, we find puffy stickers. So excited about the puffy stickers. So let me move this out of the way so that we can open these up so that I can show them to you. So fun. Pretty pastel colors. We've got cherries, we've got bows, we've got rainbows, we've got cupcakes, we have flowers, and we have strawberries. And they're puffy. They're definitely puffy. So let me show you the project that I created for day number 6 for our puffy stickers. How fun is this? This is a happy birthday wishes card utilizing the stamps that came with the advent calendar. But basically what I did is I stamped the background of my cardstock. So I kind of created my own designer series paper, if you will. And then I took squares and I featured each of the puffy stickers on these squares. What a fun card, right? If you like this card, I have a tutorial that has all of the 12 projects for each of the doors available to anybody who purchases the advent calendar through my store. You purchase the advent calendar through my store, I'm going to send you the tutorial with all 12 projects for free. If you already have the advent calendar, but you're really excited about these projects and would like the tutorial, then you can go to my PDF store at aprildaviscreations.com. Go to shop, go to PDF store, and you can purchase the tutorial through that. So fun. I'm having a blast opening up these doors, or at least I've already opened up the doors, but finding out what's behind them and then creating projects to give you guys ideas. So this was day number 6. I will see you tomorrow for day number 7. Thanks, everyone.